Morning, guys. Okay, I wanted to get out this morning. It's Saturday, and I wanted to get another one of the flings because this one store just has tons of them. I mean, they must have 20 of these. So I'm trying to do a few 5 off of 25 scenarios with them. No coupons, but did you guys see that new $3 coupon for the Gain 55 count like this, and then the big Gain liquids and the big tides? I'll pop a picture up of it, but yeah, that is going to make our Gain scenarios a little bit easier. And I did one scenario this morning. Well, I just wrote it out with a Gain scenario with those new $3 digitals, and our out-of-pocket's still going to be a little bit high, about $13. So it's still not low enough for me to go ahead and do a whole bunch of Gain scenarios, but maybe on Sunday we'll get some more coupons, and next Saturday we'll be able to do some Gain deals where we can get a much lower out-of-pocket than 13. So first thing I got was one of these. They're on clearance for $5.37. I got one of the 34 count dryer sheet, which matches that. This is $2, and the dollar digital is attaching to this one. I got two of the Gain Island Fresh Febreze, and they're $3 a piece, and we have a BOGO coupon. Then I found one of these. These are on clearance for $3.75. I thought the 150 coupon might attach, but it did not. So this is, I don't know if I'm going to return it or not, because after the 5 off of 25, I paid about $2.50 for this, which I think I'm okay with, because I think I can resell this very easily, because I have a lady who asks me for these all the time. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and keep it. I found one of the Niveas, which are $2.75, and the $2 digital is attaching to this. So if you guys see this, this is a great filler item. I found another one of the CoverGirls. They're $1.50. Let me see. $1.80 with a $3 digital, so we get $1.20 of overage. And I was looking for the Schick Hydro 5s that were on clearance, but I couldn't find them at this store. But these are $4.50 with a $3 digital. It's just an old faithful filler item. So my total was $25. She said it was $25.25 after, you know, everything, and then it came down to $8.27, and I saved $17.90. So that's great to get these, all this for $1. Well, let's see, I had 8 items and I paid $8.27, so about $1 an item, $1 and some change. So to get these for $1, that's great. So I'm on to the next store. This time we're going to do an in-store scenario, so I'll see you guys in a minute. So I just came to a different Dollar General, and I checked the app, and there's a coupon for this one for the 42, a $2 exclusive. So I got excited because there's a $3 for this one. I was going to do a Gain deal, but this does not attach to the coupon. So I don't know if I should try it just to see. But I just want to show you, this would be about $13 out of pocket. If this coupon attached, it would be about $11. But it's not working, so I think I'm just going to wait and do another deal. This is what I decided to do. I'm going to give this in the transaction, and if the coupon comes off, we'll figure it out. But for now, I'm just going to do a regular 5 off of 25. I have this, 2 more of the Gain, another CoverGirl, Nivea, the $2 dryer sheets, the Lysol, the Palmers, and I found one of the Schick Hydros giving 20 cents of overage. So I'm going to take that out. I'm not using that. After all coupons, I should pay about $6.